Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we've got a 2016 Mazda 3, and on this Mazda 3 we're going to go over where you would add windshield washer fluid and all that. So your windshield washer fluid is located on the left-hand side or the right-hand side on the passenger side, and this blue cap, you're just going to pop the cap. You pour in your windshield washer fluid. If this is fully empty and you try to spray, it's going to take about 3 liters or 3 quarts, close to. So it almost takes a full gallon of windshield washer fluid. On this one, you can look down the side and you can see quite a ways down there and see where it's at. Not all of them you have that good of access, but I mean you can just top this all the way up top here, and this is where you would put your windshield washer fluid. Any brand or make that you like to have in there can go in here. And then you just snap the cap back on and you're good to go. If for whatever reason you fill this up and it doesn't work because you think it was empty and it's not spraying, well then that's when you would need to go into some more research and see whether there's a relay that's gone bad, switch has gone bad, or the pump itself that pumps the fluid from here is bad. But that's how you would add fluid to your vehicle of a Mazda. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.